Hello, I'm Jamie Butler, Director of the Center for Access to Disability Services at ChattState.
I'm Dave Buck. I'm the Executive Director of the Chattanooga Autism Center.
I'm Nathan Zerman. I am the Program Coordinator of GCA for Autistic Adults. I'd like to invite you to the 10th Annual Southeastern Adult Autism Symposium at Chattanooga State on July 25th.
ChattState is excited once again to host this event and to partner with GCA and the Chattanooga Autism Center.
GCA has offered this conference for the past 10 years. It always features great presentations and exhibitors relevant to autistic adults. And this year we'll also have presentations for caregivers of autistic adults.
For example, there will be a workshop on navigating families, relationships, and on embracing changes.
And workshops on future-oriented topics like artificial intelligence and special needs planning.
Again, that date is Saturday, July 25th, and the event is from 8:30 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. in the Chattanooga State Health Science Center. Lunch is included.
We hope to see you there. Please use the QR code in the corner to register online.
https://chatstate.cc/adult-autism